In this section, we will be looking at reward to risk. Reward to risk in pips, we use a 1-to-1 ratio. We aim for the same reward in pips as our risk in pips. For example, with a buy, we have a 20 pip reward from our entry, and we also have a 20 pip risk from our entry. For a sell, we have a 20 pip reward for our target from our entry, and we have a 20 pip risk from our entry to our stop loss. We aim for the same percentage reward as percentage risk. So we're looking for a 1% reward and we risk 1%. And again for a sell, we're aiming for a 1% reward, so we risk 1%. Short example. Often we can check our reward to risk ratio just by looking at the setup. Stop loss, red line here, entry is the black line here, and our target is here. Green box is the reward and the red box is our risk. We can see from this example here, entry here, reward is much larger than our risk. For example, 10 pip risk for a 40 pip reward. Reward to risk ratio. Reward in pips divided by our risk in pips equals our ratio. Reward is the potential number of pips between the entry price and our target price. Risk is the difference between the entry price and the stop loss. Buy trade exercise. So here below we have Euro USD. Entry at 1.3550. Our target would be 1.3590. Our stop loss would be 1.3530. What is the reward in pips and what is the risk in pips? We have a 40 pip reward followed by a 20 pip risk. So here we have trade reward equals 40 points. Trade risk is 20 points, which gives us a reward to risk of 2-to-1. Sell trade exercise. Again, we have Euro USD with an entry of 1.3650. Our target would be 1.3500 and our stop loss would be 1.3700. What is your reward in pips and what is your risk in pips? So our reward would be 150 pips and our risk would be 50 pips. So our trade reward is 150 pips. Our trade risk is 50 pips. Gives us a reward to risk ratio of 3-to-1.